display. My name's Chris Martin from 104.7 Minster FM, and one of the best things that we love doing is making people winners here at Minster FM. But not only that, can I get everyone gathered around, please? As many people gathered around as possible, with eyes to the stage. We have a gentleman called Mark. Mark, step forward. Wave to the crowd of thousands there. This is Mark, and also Lisa. Lisa, step forward. Now, Lisa doesn't really know why she's here tonight, or what she's won from Minster FM. Truth is, she's won absolutely nothing. I'm actually going to pass the microphone to Mark right now, for another reason.
I just want to say it's our 6-year anniversary today, so first of all, happy anniversary to Lisa. It's been 6 amazing years, and you've made me so happy. We've got 2 beautiful children, and I want to make you as happy as you've made me. So I've got a nice sparkler for you tonight, but you're going to have to take your gloves off for this one. You won't be able to see me, but I'm going to get down on one knee. Lisa, will you marry me?
And the answer is?
Yes!
They're getting married! In front of thousands of people, a marriage proposal for you this evening here at York Manor. She's evidently really, really happy. Lisa, how do you feel? You're evidently really, really happy. Are you alright now? It's stomach. We've been planning this for months. Sorry's been behind your back. We have been planning it for months. Mark, you got anything to say?
Yeah, I knew she'd say yes, but I just want to give a big shout out to the Aviva FC boys from today. They'll all be pleased that I've done it. They were all really nervous for me, so thank you. Thanks, Chris.
Well done, Mark and Lisa. Give a big round of applause. Right, I'm going to play some more music for you, and Arthur Braff will be on this stage, ready for the big fireworks display 2011.